everybody and welcome to my video. My name is Miss Megan and today we are reading The Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Let's begin. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes tight shut, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoes, crawls into the cave of the fluff white snow. The mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneaky peek into the den. Mouse cries, who's there? And a hare hops in. Ho, mouse, says hare. Long time no see. So they pop white corn, pop, 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 and brew black tea. The mouse sips wee sips. The hare burps big burps. Burp. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them out. Cozy down and dig in. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. A wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, what a night! What a storm, tweets wren. And everybody clatters into the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. The hare strokes the fire. The mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper's fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. He roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've all snuck into my lap, but you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I've had none. He whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. And we can brew more tea. The bear gobbles and he gobbles. He sighs with delight as he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a cold, crisp dawn, the bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Alright everybody, that was The Bear Snores On. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you next time.